Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this famous French phrase. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting and confusing French vocabulary used in English too, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say thus? For reference, in French it is said as c'est la vie, c'est la vie, meaning literally it's life, meaning such is life. You know, happens, things happens that can be bad. In English this is generally said as c'est la vie, from French, c'est la vie. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words from French and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get those really wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.